Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Voicemeeter sound drivers. So first, go to the Windows Start menu or just press Windows key on your keyboard and then search for Device Manager. Now click on it. Once you're here, just find for sound, video, and game controllers. Expand that. And then once they're here, all of your sound drivers will be shown. And then find for the VB Audio Voicemeeter VAIO. So this is the main driver that uninstalls all of the virtual outputs and inputs of Voicemeeter. Now here, select it and then right click and then click on Uninstall Device. Once this window pops up, click on Attempt to remove the driver for this device. Check that and then click Uninstall. And then it will uninstall the devices. And then once you're done here, close this Device Manager. To double check if the Voicemeeter driver is uninstalled, click on this tab here on the lower right on your taskbar. And then click this select a sound output icon here. And then you will see that there will be no more Voicemeeter drivers. So basically that's it.